babes, welcome back to the channel. So as y'all can already see by the title, guess where I am? In my new place in Texas, okay, period. I wanted to do a little quick house tour. We're bringing stuff up here. No, I do not have my furniture yet, but this will be an empty apartment tour. And then once I get my furniture, I'll do a furnished apartment tour. So yeah, if y'all are interested in this video, then of course stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're new. Hit the subscribe button. Join the Pretty Girl crew. And yes, let's hop right into the video. And don't mind my hair and all that because it's been raining out there. And yeah, it's like 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, let's hop right into this video though. Okay, y'all, so right when you walk in the door, you got a closet there, and you got a closet here, and then right here, don't mind that pillow, like I said, we're moving stuff in. This is like a little desk area. I'm probably gonna, yeah, this is like a little desk area, and it has like a little cabinet space up there. I don't know why, I'm not sure why it's so dark, but yeah, anyways, it's got like a little cabinet space up there, and then I can put my little chairs and my little storage stuff down there for my business. And we got stuff that we just brought from the store. Yes, we have air mattress because we don't have our furniture just yet, so we had to sleep on something. And then if you come on through, and I'll mind my keys and my purse on the counter, but this is the kitchen, my favorite part of the entire apartment. And this is the small pantry. I love this apartment. It has tons of space. And then you just have your regular cabinets there. We got stainless steel microwave, a stainless steel stove, and then this is what the countertops look like. And then over here you got your sink area, and you have your more storage down there. And then we have a dishwasher, and then another cabinet, and then you have plugs there, and more plugs there. And then the refrigerator, what I like about it as well is because the refrigerator is separated from everything, so it's not in the way or anything like that. Nice stainless steel refrigerator and freezer. And then this is the laundry room. I'm gonna have to tell them that I do want a washer and dryer, because right now it's just the connections and everything. But yeah, I want a washer and dryer, for them to give me a washer and dryer. And then right here is just a trash can. That's the trash can that they give us. It's a valet trash can. They pick them up. So yeah, we just basically I guess scan a little code, and you know, we set it outside, all that good stuff. So that's what the kitchen's looking like in the front door entry. Don't mind the stuff on the floor. So coming on over, this is the living room area. And I guess that would be like the dining area and the balcony and this big old window. Yeah, it's not huge, but it's a little big. It looks small on camera, but it's really big. And y'all can't see the balcony because it's dark outside, which is good because I don't want y'all to see where I stay. And then this whole side over here will be mine. So I like the little arch entry, and I'm so sorry that everything is picking up dark, y'all. But this is my bathroom, and I gotta tell them to fix this knob because it's not on there. And then yeah, that's my storage space down there, and I gotta tell them that one of my lights are out, or two of my lights are out. And then I got like a little mirror right here, a big old mirror, just big bathroom, your toilet, and then a little big garden tub. And yeah, that's basically what it's looking like. And then I didn't even know this was right here. More storage, which is what I love about this apartment. You have a ton of space. And then you go down this little hallway. And this will be my room. Because my girls will get the bigger bedroom. Because we had to get a 2-bedroom because they didn't have any 3-bedrooms, so gotta make do. So that room is way bigger than this one. And then this is my closet. It's not as big as the other one, but since they're sharing a room, then they're gonna need the space or whatever. My oldest little girl's gonna use one of the hallway closets, so it's not gonna matter. And then you just, then we're gonna walk to the other side and go to their room over here. So this is their room over here, and this room is big, y'all. Don't mind my daughter on the floor, but this room is big. So this will be their room, and then this is their bathroom. And nothing wrong, this is good for them because kids don't keep stuff clean. So I could be able to keep the main bathroom clean for guests and stuff like that. They have like a ton of storage. They have 2 sinks, a little mirror like I had, and then they got all their light bulbs is working and nothing's broken in here, so that's good. And they don't have so they just have a shower. So yeah, and then this is their walk-in closets. It's really, really big for them. Ton of space. I really, really wanted this closet, but it is what it is. I don't really need it because I was gonna turn my closet into my office space with the bed that I have. My own little desk area over there. Then I don't really need it, but I love this apartment. And yeah, it's just cozy and really, really nice. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the little lights up there. It's some little lights up there, and it's really, 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 really nice. So yeah, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, and yes, I will see y'all on my next video. Bye. Mwah.